Italian sausage, Hawaiian rolls, a little bit of garlic butter on top, onions, peppers, 2 different types of cheeses. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today is episode 2 of a 5-part Josh and Babe series dedicated to Sam the Cooking Guy. If you don't know who Sam the Cooking Guy is, he's a fellow YouTuber with almost 600,000 subscribers. A chef, a restaurant owner, a fellow Southern California resident.
And what do we decide you guys have in common, Babe?
And Babe says that we're both assholes.
In a nice way. The nicest way possible.
So today, we're gonna be doing a deep dive into another one of his recipes, showing you how easy it is to cook at home, phenomenal, and boy oh boy, is this really something. Cheesesteak sliders on Hawaiian rolls. I mean, this is silliness. Silliness.
This is not on my diet plan.
This is not on your diet plan, but oh goodness, this is really gonna be something. Sam has hundreds of recipes, published multiple cookbooks, and this really is something. So, without further ado, cheesesteak sliders. Sam, cheers to you. Episode 2 of 5, and here we go!
Okay, Babe. Are you ready for the ingredients?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. We're starting with Italian sausage. We have Monterey Jack cheese, provolone cheese, a yellow onion, mini peppers, or you can use a large pepper, whatever you choose. We just happen to have these. Hawaiian rolls, which I believe is supposed to be the heart of these. Our pan. And then look what came in the mail today. Something we've never tried before, but we hear is fantastic. Japanese mayonnaise.
Amazon, people, Amazon. Find it, love it.
Below.
Link below for all the special links.
And that's it. It's as easy as that.
And that's it.
Very few ingredients, packed with flavor. Let's see how it goes.
How's the onion cutting going?
My eyes are burning.
So Babe's cutting the onions and the peppers.
Okay, so once these are done, we're gonna go outside to our 22-inch Blackstone griddle, and we are going to cook everything on that.
The sausage, the peppers, the onions, get all those ready. And then you're gonna need a couple more ingredients on the Blackstone. We're gonna use a little garlic salt, obviously a little oil to get our peppers and onions, some oregano, a little bit of Worcestershire. How do you pronounce it, babe? Worcestershire.
I don't know, Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce. And we're gonna get that all ready on the Blackstone, then we're gonna come back inside. So let's take a trip outside, people.
We don't want our veggies to get overcooked. We want them to still have a little bit of
bite. A little bit of crisp. You're gonna smell like a sausage in a minute.
We're gonna break it all up. So on the Blackstone, I like to cook really low. I don't like cooking hot and fast. Look how quickly it cooks. So good. You know what the smell almost reminds me of?
What?
Street dogs. My favorite thing on earth. We're gonna add a good amount of pepper. Oregano. That smells very good. We're just gonna do garlic salt, so we don't need to do garlic powder and salt. Stuff's pretty powerful. So and then I believe he said like a teaspoon or a tablespoon of Worcestershire. Good.
And now we mix.
And now we mix. We're back in the kitchen. So we've got our meat, we have our veggies, we have our Hawaiian rolls. I'm gonna spray this pan down because we don't want anything to stick. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna cut the corners a little tiny bit because we want them to fit.
This is the mostest hardest part.
Well, really it's not. I don't know what's so hard about it.
Because you don't want to mess it up, babe.
Well, babe, just don't mess it up. That's all. It's just like when I say, what do you want to go for dinner? And you're like, you give me some places, and I say, just pick the right place.
Yeah.
It's that easy, baby.
Yeah, it's that easy. Hey, I'll have anything for dinner. Well, how about Mexican? No, I don't like Mexican. How about Italian? No. But you told me that you would pick anything. No, babe.
All right. Well.
Bam!
There we go. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna stick this in. There. That's pretty good, huh? I thought it was a star shape. Oh, it is.
Babe.
If you want to have star-shaped mayonnaise, you can put it out on that. But if you just want to have...
Just spread it around. Japanese mayonnaise.
I've never tried this.
Link below. Amazon.
It's supposed to be more rich, you said?
Yeah.
Mayonnaise is really disgusting, so...
Mayonnaise is delicious.
Oh. I mean, it doesn't even need to be refrigerated.
Yeah, it does. It says refrigerate after opening.
After opening? What happens before you open it?
Nobody knows, babe. Nobody knows.
We're gonna start with our Monterey Jack cheese. We're gonna build our layers of flavor.
Layers of flavor, babe.
Do you think our friends are gonna like this?
Yeah, I think anybody on earth is gonna like this.
They're not coming to be our friends, they're just coming to eat.
Well, they're coming to be my friend.
Next up, ready? Here's our meat. Now this is hot Italian sausage. If you don't like hot, that's okay. We like spicy, because I'm spicy.
You can always use a mild Italian sausage.
Yeah, you can use whatever you want. You be you. It's your world. We're just living in it. The peppers and onions. I feel like we're not gonna be able to eat these one by one. I feel like we're just gonna need to like knife it out onto a plate and eat it with a fork. I would prefer more peppers than onions. Last but not least, the kicker, the provolone. And we're just gonna cover the whole dang thing with it, because
why not?
if we don't have enough fat already, we just need a little more.
Do you know what Sam says?
What?
If fat is flavor.
Flavor. Then I'm effing delicious. Okay, how's that, babe? Okay, we're gonna take our perfectly cut, easily cut top, lay it right on there. That looks pretty cool. This is disgusting.
This is awesome.
Oh my gosh. His pasta last night, these tonight. I mean, my stomach is screaming for help.
Okay, so now you cover it in a 350 oven, 15, 20 minutes, covered.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna uncover it.
Ours goes pretty fast, so I would
Okay.
say 15 in ours.
15?
Yeah.
Okay, 15 minutes at 350, because our oven's hot.
10 pounds, I'd say. We got our oven preheated. It's at 350. We're gonna stick it in there. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, ready? Now we're gonna paint the garlic butter on the rolls.
Garlic, parsley, butter, greatness. Back in the oven for another 5 to 8 minutes to brown it all up.
Okay, here's our final product.
I mean, my goodness. We're gonna get some critic review here in a minute. This is like stoner food.
Late night Jack in the Box.
This is late night Jack in the Box, hardcore, delicious. I mean, just the smell alone. It's crispy on the bottom.
Got a lot of flavor.
Yeah, babe. Yeah. Sam knows what he's talking about.
Very good. Okay, it's good.
Yeah, you see? Skeptic. But it's fantastic.
I mean, I knew it would be fantastic. I just mean it's like a gut bomb.
No, babe. No. Make this at home. Everybody, make this at home.
I don't know. Really rich? I think they said it is. It's just more rich.
It's a fan favorite.
Is Japanese mayo sweet?
I don't know.
I don't know, but it's on a Hawaiian roll. That's why it's sweet.
First of all, this sandwich goes with that size bottle of wine. Okay? My goodness. This is fantastic.
You like that, babe?
Yeah.
That is really good. It's gonna be great later after some cocktails.
The two different types of cheeses. Peppers, onions, spicy Italian sausage. Wow.
It's good.
Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for episode 3 of the 5-part series. I'm gonna crush these, babe. I don't know what you're talking about. My goodness.